Hey there, welcome to today's in-depth look. Today, we're taking a closer look at the brand new Xiaomi YU7. It's an all-new, fully electric SUV. Earlier, we checked out the silver model. We also took a look at the green one. And today, it's the blue one's turn. This one's also the max trim. Up front, it keeps Xiaomi's signature design. It's built on the same platform as the SU7. The headlights are fully integrated into the front end. These are the daytime running lights, or DRLs. Below that, you've got the LED high and low beams. Just above the headlights, there's a hollowed-out detail for a sleeker look. On both sides of the front bumper, you'll see air vents designed to improve airflow and aerodynamics. You can even see the tire through the vent. The front intake features an active grille that opens and closes automatically. There are 6 radar sensors built into the front bumper. You also get parking sensors in both the front and back. There's a lidar unit mounted right on the roof. And yep, that comes standard on every trim. Powering it is NVIDIA's Orin chip. It delivers 700 TOPS of processing power. It measures 4,999 millimeters long, 1996 millimeters wide, and 1,600 millimeters tall, with a 3-meter wheelbase. It sits in the mid to large SUV category. The suspension setup includes a front double wishbone and rear 5-link design. From the side profile, the design really stands out. The rear windows come with privacy glass as standard. This design does a great job shielding the rear window for added privacy. Over here on the front fender, you'll notice it's got a built-in air channel for better aerodynamics. The wheels are lightweight aluminum alloy. They're paired with eye-catching red 4-piston calipers. It comes equipped with Michelin tires. The front tires are sized 245/45 R21. The rears are wider, coming in at 275, so they're slightly wider than the fronts. The suspension adjusts its height depending on road conditions, and also adapts to how you're driving. The rear design looks bold and sculpted, especially those pronounced C-shaped taillights. And up top, there's a subtle black ducktail spoiler. Down at the lower edges of the bumper, you'll notice air vents integrated into the design. You've also got 6 radar sensors built into the bumper. It's also equipped with rear parking sensors. The trunk opens electronically. You just press this button to open it. Now, let's check out the trunk space. This is what it looks like with the rear seats up. As you can see, there's a hidden storage compartment under the floorboard, perfect for keeping your smaller items tucked away. There's a 12V power outlet on the right side. You also get a small hook and an interior light. On the left, there's an electric button that folds the rear seats down. Yep, it's all electronically controlled. Yep, fully powered. Let's fold it flat and check things out. Once it's folded down, you'll notice how flat and smooth it looks. Overall, it looks pretty nice, and the space you get is actually quite impressive. The front hood uses a clamshell design. It's also powered, so it opens up automatically. There's a button here. Just press it, and the hood opens automatically. There's a decent-sized front trunk for storage, perfect for keeping your daily essentials or small gear. Power-wise, the whole lineup is equipped with a V6S Plus electric motor. The max trim pushes out up to 508 kilowatts. It also delivers 866 Newton-meters of peak torque. Here's where you top up the windshield washer fluid. The charging port is on the rear left, behind the driver's side. Just tap it, and it opens automatically. Inside, you've got both fast and slow charging ports. The whole lineup supports 800V ultra-fast charging. To close it, just press the button and it shuts itself. The door handles are flush with the body for a clean, hidden look. You have to reach in and pull to open it. All 4 doors come with a frameless design. All the windows are double glazed for better sound insulation. Even the side mirrors have a frameless look. They fold in automatically when you lock the car. It's also equipped with a blind spot warning system. All right, let's check out the interior. Let's see how well it blocks out side noise. What do you think? Pretty quiet, right? Inside, the door handles come in 2 styles. Right here at the top, there's an electronic door switch. Just press it, and the door pops open. There's also an emergency release down below. It's a manual mechanical release in case of emergency. All 4 doors are equipped with soft close function. Let's check out the interior design. It really gives off a high-tech vibe. Right in the center, you've got a floating style screen. Up top is what they call a skyline display, but it's not an actual screen. It's actually a projection that beams onto the glass from underneath. And you can even adjust the icons up there. Like when you switch driving modes, the icons change accordingly. Looking up at the dashboard, you'll notice there's ambient lighting built right in. Even the door handle grips have ambient lighting tucked inside. Check out the level of craftsmanship here. The steering wheel is finished in leather. Pretty much everything within reach is wrapped in leather. And up on the headliner, in the Max version, they've used a suede-like material here. It uses a column shifter instead of the usual gear knob. The center screen pretty much feels like an oversized Xiaomi tablet. You can totally use it like a regular tablet. It runs super smooth and looks crystal clear. It even comes with a bunch of localized Chinese apps built in, and you can sync them with your phone seamlessly. Down here, there are 2 dedicated phone slots, and both of them support wireless charging. And you've got 2 cup holders right next to them. The main difference from the SU7 is that this version ditches a few physical buttons. In the center, there's a split opening armrest box. Inside, it can roughly hold about 4 cans of soda. There's a big open storage space under the center console. You can easily toss in a handbag or even a pair of heels. You also get 2 67-watt USB-C ports here. The seats come with leather upholstery. They've got a sporty look to them. The seats are perforated on the surface for added breathability. Both front seats can recline at the touch of a button. Just press and hold the side button on the seat, and the seat will recline automatically. It'll shift into a zero-gravity position for max comfort. You'll see the leg rest pop up as well. From the screen, you can tell all 5 seats come with heating. The front seats also have ventilation and massage features. The steering wheel is heated too. Both front sun visors come with lit vanity mirrors. You can adjust both the brightness and the color temperature. The whole roof is one big panoramic glass panel. Xiaomi says they've used a double-layer silver coating on the roof. In simple terms, it blocks sunlight really effectively. All right, I'll move the front seats back to a normal driving position. For reference, I'm 1.72 meters tall. Now let's hop in the back and see how much space we've got. Even with the front seat adjusted, I've still got about 2 fists of legroom back here. So yeah, space in the back is more than enough. The rear floor is totally flat, which makes it easier to move around. Now, speaking of the front passenger seat, let's take a look. There's a hidden compartment here, perfect for keeping an umbrella or small essentials out of sight. There's a control panel in the back for passengers to use. With it, you can access the map, control the music, and adjust the rear seats for comfort. Right below that, there's an AC vent for rear passengers. Just underneath, there's a bit of extra storage space. This seriously looks like a mini fridge, guys. You've got Type-C charging ports on both sides, super handy for backseat passengers. There's a tablet mount built into the back of each front seat. Both rear seats come with removable headrests. I tried taking off the middle one, but it doesn't seem to come out. Inside the center armrest, you've got 2 built-in cup holders. You can also drop your phone in here. It fits just right. The Xiaomi YU7 is available in 3 trims. The base trim starts at roughly $34,700. The mid-level trim goes for about $38,300. And the top trim will set you back around $45,200. So, which trim would you go for? Tell us which car you want to see next. And don't forget to like and follow. This is HeyCarZone. See you in the next one.